What is up, everybody? Today we are looking at the dbrand grip. Now, I ordered this guy forever ago and it's finally here. So let's get into it. Grip is just the beginning. Don't get up. Here we have the grip. This is a bumper style case for your phone. The thing that dbrand is kind of thrown out there in regards to the grip is that this is the grippiest case of any case out there available for your smartphone. When they teased this and initially came out, they had this sitting on top of a Ferrari, super fast around a track, with this just sitting on the hood, the phone not going anywhere. I think that's kind of funny. I'm actually tempted to try that out, to test it and see if that's actually true. If it says it's the grippiest case, you bet I'm gonna look into that. The nice thing about the grip, and the reason that it's just a bumper style, is because you have your dbrand skins that go on your phones. And so to keep from the skin being hidden, they want to have the back face open so that you can still see your skins. And then the nice thing about that is the skins are pretty cheap. You don't only have to buy one case. And then if you get tired of the way your case looks, switch it out for another skin. There you go. So this here is the camo black skin, and this is the iPhone X with the grip on it. And I gotta say, it does add a little bit of bulk, and it is kind of interesting feeling that back face being open. You got these little ledges now around the phone that you kind of hold on to. It's gonna take some getting used to, but I'm really excited to finally have it. Again, this is the black camo. They also sent all of these great vibrant colors. So if I get tired of the camo black, slap another color on there, and all of a sudden your skin or your case is a brand new case again. And that's something that's really cool. I like that about the grip, that you can change the style or the look of it so simply, and it gives that scratch resistance to your phone on that back side. The case itself is raised all the way around, both the back and the front, so you're gonna get screen protection from drops, and then they have a little added ledge on the back side to protect that camera as well. Feels really solid. The iPhone has a slider switch for that mute switch. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna put this thing to the test. It claims to be the grippiest phone. Over the next week, I'm gonna find certain scenarios in which I can test just how grippy the dbrand grip case is. Anyway, that's all from me, guys. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future Hysteria videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.